At Digital Restoration Services, we work to preserve your old home movies, pictures, and sound recordings. So it doesn't matter whether you have a VHS tape, a cassette audio tape, a reel of 8mm film, or even a 35mm slide. We enhance the picture and sound of every project we handle, and then we put them on a modern flash drive for use on a smart TV or a laptop computer. And in fact, we even handle the larger projects, such as full-on professional-grade reel-to-reel tape. I wanted to take a moment to thank the nominated elder caregivers this year, and in fact, every elder caregiver out there. You do important work, and we at Digital Restoration Services appreciate you very much. Thank you.